A very good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of our viewers who are watching us live from different parts of the globe. This is Swati Vasudevan coming to you live from Austin, Texas. As a co-founder of Sur Darbar, it gives me great pleasure to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to our March event Ratnastri, a celebration of women composers. It has been a long year of dealing with the pandemic, and it has been difficult for all of us in many ways, but hope is just around the corner. With spring setting in the North American region, we see flowers, we see birds chirping, and definitely a sign of new beginnings and new life. The accessibility of the vaccine is definitely increasing across the globe, and we sure hope we can beat this pandemic before we know it. Hang in there just a little longer and we will be past it. For those of you that are new to this platform or are listening to us for the first time, Sur Darbar is a non-profit organization based out of Austin, Texas. I'm one of the co-founders of Sur Darbar, a technology executive in the mortgage industry, and I'm very ardent fan and a practitioner of music as well. Our humble beginnings included chamber concerts of both Hindustani and Carnatic, where we brought together talented artists from the community to promote and nourish Indian classical music. As the pandemic hit us, we had to adapt and evolve the way we brought our content to the audiences. And it has been a very interesting journey as we've explored different venues, and many of you have been a part of our events such as panel discussions, talk shows, concerts, fun quiz events, lecture demonstrations, etc. And here we are yet again to bring you another very, very interesting event for the month of March. Our purpose has been to build a community of musicians, artists, performers, music teachers, knowledgeable audiences, rasikas of music, and just friends. And the idea is to promote Indian classical arts. We have enjoyed exploring and researching different topics and bringing to you rich curated content every month. So if you would like to be a part of the Sur Darbar events, or if you have ideas, feedback, or suggestions for us, please feel free to give me a call, text me, or send us an email at surdarbar.austin@gmail.com. Please be sure to subscribe to our Facebook and YouTube channel so that you can get notified of future events and be a part and participate in many of our future events as well. Coming to the much awaited Ratnastri event for March, this is truly a celebration of women composers of Indian classical music. Many of you would know that March is observed as the Women's History Month, and across the globe there are many events to celebrate different aspects of women's history. And we thought, what better opportunity than this to celebrate the women composers of Indian classical music. There are some very well-known women composers whose compositions have become a part of mainstream Indian classical music concerts, but there are also some lesser-known composers and some compositions that have never left the performer within their homes. So our goal is to shine light on some of these composers that are of course well known, and also some of these composers that are lesser known, so that you can enjoy some of these beautiful compositions that women composers have brought into this world. Through our research project, we were touched to learn about the life and what some of these women composers had to endure as early as the 15th and 17th century. The position of women has progressively enhanced, and we are a very empowered generation. But this is also a time to reflect on what our former generations have had to go through, and to, as we stand on what the foundation they have built, it is a time to be grateful for what they have done for us in the past and celebrate their glory through events like this. This event, Ratnastri, is a humble effort to shine light on the beautiful compositions of many Ratnastris as early as the 15th century, and share some of their life and their beautiful music with all of you through this program. This event has brought together many artists, performers, music teachers, composers themselves, their families, and of course music rasikas, and it has given us immense joy to create a new part of the community where we are able to bring and share this music. We are very grateful for that. Please do share this event with your friends and family and rasikas around the world and help us spread the glory of these Ratnastris and enable their music to reach many audiences and their glory to continue to live on. So please sit back and enjoy this very specially curated event Ratnastri, and our host Sindhu Vasudevan, who is also a co-founder of Sur Darbar, will take us through the rest of the presentations by way of introduction of the composers, sharing some very interesting facts about these composers, as well as introducing the artists that will be performing. There was an overwhelming response to this event, and therefore we had to break this down into two parts. The part one will stream today with one set of composers and performers, and we will do part two next week, next Sunday, same time, with the rest of the composers. Thank you all for having participated in this and having been a part of this research project and this journey. We really hope you enjoy this presentation.
Aandavan Pichai is a contemporary women composer who has written many compositions in Tamil, Telugu, and Sanskrit, including the famous Ullam Urugadaya, which was popularized by TMS. She was born as Maragatavalli in 1899 and was renamed as Aandavan Pichai, meaning God's alms, by Mahaperiva, who also predicted her composing abilities. It is said that her vision of Lord Muruga was the impetus behind her compositions. She has composed a Tamil version of Saundarya Lahari, and being an Ambal Upasaki, it is believed that she composed a poem on Ambal while delivering a child. Sur Darbar presents to you a composition of Aandavan Pichai, Mahaganapatim Bhavaye, in Ragam Kedaram, rendered by Vidya Lakshmi Devanathan.
Hi everyone, my name is Vidya Lakshmi Devanathan. I'm from Chennai and I'm a student of Dr. Vijay Lakshmi Subramaniam. I'm very happy to take part in the Ratnashri initiative of Sur Darbar. Mahaganapatim Bhavaye Shri Mahaganapatim Bhavaye Bhakta Manoradha Palapradam Varapradam 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 Mahaganapatim Bhavaye. Mahadeva Satputram Ivavatram महादेव सत्पुत्रं विभावत्र महादेव सत्पुत्रं विभावत्र गुहाश्रयं कुञ्चरस्वरूपं महादेव सत्पुत्रं विभावत्र गुहाश्रयं कुञ्चरस्वरूपं महागणपतिं भावये भक्तमनोरदा फलप्रदं वरप्रदं महागणपतिं भावये सदा मोदक प्रियं सदा मोदक प्रियं चतुर्भुजं सर्वविघ्न विनाशनकारणं सदा मोदक प्रियं चतुर्भुजं सर्वविघ्न विनाशनकारणं बुधाश्रयं भोगमोक्षप्रदायकं बुधाश्रयं भोगमोक्षप्रदायकं भुजगराजभूषणं सुदेशनं भुजगराजभूषणं सुदेशनं बुधाश्रयं भोगमोक्षप्रदायकं भुजगराजभूषणं सुदेशनं महागणपतिं भावये भक्तमनोरदा फलप्रदं वरप्रदं महागणपतिं भावये
The next composer we are going to celebrate today needs no introduction. A fifth-generation musician of the illustrious Lalgudi Bani, Srimati Lalgudi Vijayalakshmi is the daughter and disciple of late Lalgudi G. Jayaraman. Srimati Lalgudi Vijayalakshmi as a violinist performs solo, duet, and collaborations with artists from all genres, and she is also an accomplished vocalist, composer, and a teacher. Lalgudi Vijayalakshmi is making a mark as a composer as well, and she has to her credit many tillanas, vadnams, and full-length dance dramas, including Sambhavi Yuge Yuge and Panchabhutam, which have also been staged in the United States as well. We are delighted to present Austin's very own Ram Shivaraman, who is a disciple of Srimati Lalgudi Vijayalakshmi, and he will be presenting a vadnam in Ragam Deva Manohari.
Namaskaram. My name is Ram Shivaraman. I will be playing a vadnam in Ragam Deva Manohari composed by my guru, Srimati Lalgudi Vijayalakshmi.
Neela Ramamurthy is a contemporary women composer who has written many Tamil compositions including Deena Sharanyane, Tirupati Malai Mele, Sodhane Seyyade and a Ragamalika describing scenes from the Ramayana. Many of her compositions are sung by popular singers in mainstream Carnatic music concerts, and she is the older daughter of the Tamil composer and musician Sri Papanasham Shivan. Neela Ramamurthy is the author of the book Stuti Mani Malai. Today we are excited to present to you multiple compositions of Neela Ramamurthy as part of the celebration of women composers, Ratnastri.
Namaskaram. This is Srilata Balaji from Chennai. I am the daughter and disciple of Srimati Radha Kalyanaraman, granddaughter of Brahma Shri Papanasam Shivan. I am also currently learning from Srimati Bhavani Santanam, who is a disciple of Dr. Balamurali Krishna. Today I am going to present a composition of Srimati Neela Ramamurthy, daughter of Papanasam Shivan, in Ragam Pantuvirali, Talam Adi. I am very happy to be a part of Ratnastri, conducted by Sur Darbar. Pazhani Malai Muruga, Pazhani Malai Muruga, 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 Muruga, Pazhani Malai Muruga. பழனி மலை முருகா, பக்தர் கருள் குமரா, பழனி மலை முருகா, பக்தர் கருள் குமரா, பழனி மலை முருகா, பக்தர் கருள் குமரா, பன்னிருகை முருகா, பச்சை மயில் முருகா, பழனி மலை முருகா, பக்தர் கருள் குமரா, பன்னிருகை முருகா, பச்சை மயில் முருகா, பழனி மலை முருகா, முருகா, பழனி மலை முருகா, முருகா, பழனி மலை முருகா, முருகா. வேல் முருகா மால் மருகா வினை தீர்க்க வா முருகா, வேதமய நாத வடிவான திரு முருகா, வேல் முருகா மால் மருகா வினை தீர்க்க வா முருகா, வேதமய நாத வடிவான திரு முருகா, சேல்விழியர் மாதிருவ சேல்விழியர் மாதிருவர் சேர்ந்து வருவாய் முருகா, சேல்விழியர் மாதிருவர் சேர்ந்து வருவாய் முருகா, செந்தில் குமரா சண்முகா வந்தருள்வாய் முருகா, சேல்விழியர் மாதிருவர் சேர்ந்து வருவாய் முருகா, செந்தில் குமரா சண்முகா வந்தருள்வாய் அருள்வாய் முருகா பழனிமலை முருகா முருகா பழனிமலை முருகா முருகா பழனிமலை முருகா முருகா முருகா
Namaskara. My name is Roshni Muthuswamy. I am very thankful for this opportunity to participate in Ratna Shri, the celebration of women composers. I will be singing Dina Sharanyane, composed by Nila Ramamurthy. The ragam is Karna Ranjani and the talam is Adi. दीनशरण्यने देवकी बालने तिरुवरुल पुरिवाने 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 गानविलोलने कौस्तुभमालने गानविलोलने कौस्तुभमालने कनकांबरधर वनमालाधरने गानविलोलने कौस्तुभमालने कनकांबरधर वनमालाधरने दीनशरण्यने देवकी बालने तिरुवरुल पुरिवाने दीनशरण्यने देवकी बालने तिरुवरुल पुरिवाने श्यामल रूपने सरसिजनेत्रने सकल भुवन परि पालने शीनने श्यामल रूपने सरसिजनेत्रने सकल भुवन परि पालने शीनने मामनी वन्नने मरगत कन्नने मामनी वन्नने मरगत कन्नने मन्गेर मणं कवर मायने आयने मन्गेर मणं कवर मायने आयने दीनशरण्यने देवकी बालने तिरुवरुल पुरिवाने दीनशरण्यने देवकी बालने तिरुवरुल पुरिवाने
This Ratnastri needs no introduction to the Carnatic music world. Her compositions have become a part of mainstream Carnatic concerts. Any guesses? We now present performers that will bring to you some of her beautiful compositions of Srimati Ambujam Krishna. Ambujam Krishna is a celebrated composer who has composed kritis in various languages including Sanskrit, Tamil, Kannada and Telugu. Her compositions have been published in 2 volumes under the title Geetamala. Renowned musicians of the time have appreciated her lyrical beauty, and her compositions have been tuned by various musicians including T.N. Seshagopalan, V.V. Shadagopan, S. Ramanathan, Shemmangudi Srinivas Iyer, and many others. True to her sense of total surrender, Srimati Krishna did not use a mudra and did not attempt at giving publicity to any of her works. But the excellence of her lyrics soon made them well known. Srimati Krishna has also composed Radha Madhavam and Krishna Leela Madhuryam, 2 operas for which the music was set by K.R. Kedaranathan. She was a senior officer bearer of the Sri Sadguru Sangeeta Samajam in Madurai and also started a music college, Sadguru Sangeeta Vidyalayam.
Namaskaram, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. My name is Lakshmi Vaidyanathan. I will be singing a composition of Ambujam Krishna in Ragam Nattukurunji set to Aditalam. கோசலபாலன் கருணாலபாலன் மாலோலன் திருக்கோலம் காணவாரீர் கோசலபாலன் கருணாலபாலன் மாலோலன் திருக்கோலம் காணவாரீர் கோசலபாலன் கருணாலவாலன் மாலோலன் திரு கோலம் காணவாரீர் கோசலபாலன் கருணாலவாலன் மாலோலன் திரு கோலம் காணவாரீர் கோசலபாலன் கருணாலவாலன் மாலோலன் திரு கோலம் காணவாரீர் ஞாலம் மொய்ய பானுகுல துதித்து ஞாலம் உய்ய பானுகுல துதித்து ஞாலம் உய்ய பானுகுல துதித்து நிலமகள் கரம் கொண்ட ரகுராமன் கல்யாண கோலம் ஞாலம் மொய்ய பானுகுல துதித்து நிலமகள் கரம் கொண்ட ரகுராமன் கல்யாண கோலம் காணவாரீர் கோசலபாலன் கருணாலவாலன் தந்தை சொல் ஏற்று கானகம் ஏகி தண்டகவன முனிவர் கபயம் ஈந்து தந்தை சொல் ஏற்று கானகம் ஏகி தண்டகவன முனிவர் கபயம் ஈந்து தஞ்சமென்ற இருவர்க்கு அஞ்சேலென்றருளி தஞ்சமென்ற இருவர்க்கு அஞ்சேலென்றருளி தஞ்சமென்ற இருவர்க்கு அஞ்சேலென்றருளி தரணியோர் மகிழ்வுற தசமுகனை இறைத்து தரணியோர் மகிழ்வுற தசமுகனை இறைத்து தரணியோர் மகிழ்வுற தசமுகனை இறைத்து அனுஜர் மூவர் கூடை சூழ ஆஞ்சநேயன் பதம் தாங்க அனுஜர் மூவர் கூடை சூழ ஆஞ்சநேயன் பதம் தாங்க ஜனகசுதையுடன் கனக சிம்ஹாசன தமிழ் பட்டாபிராமன் திரு கோலம் காணவார் அனுஜர் மூவர் கூடை சூழ ஆஞ்சநேயன் பதம் தாங்க ஜனகசுதையுடன் கனக சிம்ஹாசன தமிழ் பட்டாபிராமன் திரு கோலம் காணவார் கோசல பாலன் கருணாலவாலன் மாலோலன் திரு கோலம் காணவார் Thank you.
Namaskaram. I am Lakshmi Hariharan and I belong to Sukadvani Institute of Carnatic Music and my guru is Srimati Neyveli Ramalakshmi. I thank the Sur Darbar team for organizing Ratnas 3 celebrating women composers. Today I will be presenting a Kriti by Ambujam Krishna and this Kriti is in Ragam Nitimati set to Aditala. அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி அன்னை மருவும் நீலமேனியனே அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி அன்னை மருவும் நீலமேனியனே அரவணையில் துயில் அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி நாராயணா நாராயணா ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா நாராயணா ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா நாராயணா ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா நாராயணா ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா என்று பிறவி திருநாமமுரைத்தே நாராயணா ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா என்று பிறவி பிணியகற்றும் திருநாமமுரைத்தே அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி அன்னை மருவும் நீலமேனியனே அரவணையில் துயில் அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி பட்ட சிறுமை போதாதோ பட்ட சிறுமை போதாதோ பட்ட சிறுமை போதாதோ இனி உன் பக்கத்தில் அழைக்கலாகாதோ பட்ட சிறுமை போதாதோ இனி உன் பக்கத்தில் அழைக்கலாகாதோ உன்னை விட்டு பிரிந்த மனம் வாடாதோ 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 பாதம் தொட்டு வணங்கும் என்னை கண் பாராதோ விட்டு பிரிந்த மனம் வாடாதோ பாதம் தொட்டு வணங்கும் என்னை கண் பாராதோ அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி அன்னை மருவும் நீலமேனியனே அரவணையில் துயில் அரவிந்தலோச்சனனே கருணை பொழி
Hello, my name is Dikshita Sundararaman and I am a disciple of Srimati Charumati Ramachandran, and today I will be performing one of Srimati Ambujam Krishna's compositions, Om Namo Narayana, in the Ragam Karnaranjani. I am really excited to be a part of this event and promote the compositions of female composers. Om Namo Narayana, Om Namo Narayana, Om Namo Narayana என்று உள்ளம் முருக உரைத்திடென்னாவே. 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 Om Namo Narayana. ക്ഷേമം നൽകും ശ്രീ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പൻ ക്ഷേമം നൽകും ശ്രീ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പൻ ക്ഷേമം നൽകും ശ്രീ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പൻ നാമമല്ലാലോയ് വഴി വേറേത് നാമമല്ലാലോയ് വഴി വേറേത് നാമമല്ലാലോയ് വഴി വേറേത് നാമമല്ലാൽ ഉയ് വഴി വേറേത് ഓം നമോ നാരായണ இன்று உள்ளம் முருக உரைத்திடென்னாவே ஓம் நமோ நாராயண பன்னிசைக்கும் பவழவாயிதழும் பங்கஜ கண்ணழகும் குண்டலம் திகழ் செவியும் பன்னிசைக்கும் பவழவாயிதழும் பங்கஜ கண்ணழகும் குண்டலம் திகழ் செவியும் வெண் சங்கம் திகிரி ஓளிர் கரங்களும் வெண் சங்கம் திகிரி ஓளிர் கரங்களும் தன் தோளபம் தவர் மார்பில் மின்னும் முப்புரினோலும் தன் தோளபம் தவர் மார்பில் மின்னும் முப்புரினோலும் கிண்கிணி இடையார்ப்ப கழச்சிலம்பு கலகலக மண்ணிடை வைகுண்ட தப்பன் தரும் காட்சி தன்னை கண்டதொழ் கலிப்போடு பண்பாடி கொண்டாடி கரம் குவித்து மெய்யுருகி என் திசையும் எதிரொலிக்க ஓம் நமோ நாராயண என்று உள்ளம் முருக உரைத்திடென்னாவே ஓம் நமோ நாராயண
Namaskaram everyone. My name is Shashwat and I am a disciple of Vidushi Sri Ranjani Santana Gopalanaka, and today I will be presenting Kannava, a Ragamalika composition by Srimati Ambujam Krishna, and I am glad to present this as a part of Ratnastri program which honors the most famous female composers. கண்ணாவா மணிவண்ணாவா கண்ணாவா மணிவண்ணாவா கமலபதம் வைத்து கணந்தனிலே வாவா கண்ணாவா மணிவண்ணாவா கமலபதம் வைத்து கணந்தனிலே வா கண்ணாவா மணிவண்ணாவா தண்ட சதங்க சதங்கை கொஞ்ச தவழ்ந்துமேவா தண்டை சதங்கை கொஞ்ச தவழ்ந்துமேவா தாமரை பதம் வைத்து தளர் நடையிட்டும் வா தாமரை பதம் வைத்து தளர் நடையிட்டும் வா தொண்டை குழலசய குமராவா கொண்டை குழலசய குமராவா கோவலர்த்தம் குல கொழுந்தேவா வா வா கண்ணாவா மழிவண்ணாவா வெண்ணை விழைந்துண்ணும் விமலாவா வெண்ணை விழைந்துண்ணும் விமலாவா வேதம் புகழ் மலர்பதம் வைத்தவா வெண்ணை விழைந்துண்ணும் விமலாவா வேதம் புகழ் மலர்பதம் வைத்தவா எண்ணுமனிதயத்தில் இருந்திடவா எண்ணுமனிதயத்தில் இருந்திடவா பண்ணிசை திங்குன் பதம் வைத்தவா வா கண்ணாவா மணிவண்ணாவா ஆனிரை மேத்திடும் அண்ணலேவா ஆனிரை மேத்திடும் அண்ணலேவா ஆட்கொள்ளும் தெய்வமே அடி வைத்தவா ஆட்கொள்ளும் தெய்வமே அடி வைத்தவா கோபியர் மனம் கவர் கள்வாவா கோபியர் மனம் கவர் கள்வாவா கோலன் காட்டு இங்கு குதி தோடிவா கோலன் காட்டு இங்கு குதி தோடிவா கண்ணாவா மணிவண்ணாவா கருங்குழல் யசோதை கண்மணி நீவா கருங்குழல் யசோதை கண்மணி நீவா அரவின் சிரம் நின்ற அடி வைத்தவாகா கருங்குழல் யசோதை கண்மணி நீவா அரவின் சிரம் நின்ற அடி வைத்தவாகா நான் கேழு துறை இறைவாவா நான் கேழு துறை இறைவாவா இடரகற்றும் திருப்பதம் வைத்து வா வா கண்ணாவா மணிவண்ணாவா ஆலிலை துயிலும் அழகாவா ஆலிலை துயிலும் அழகாவா ஆர்வமாய் சுவைக்கும் அடி வைத்தவாக மூவுல இனக்கும் முதல்வா வா கண்ணா வா மணிவண்ணா வா கமல பதம் வைத்து கணந்தனிலே வா கண்ணா வா மணிவண்ணா வா
Now we move on to the state of Karnataka with the composition of the great Akka Mahadevi, a 12th century mystic saint and a contemporary of the great proponent of the Lingayak sect, Sri Basvanna or Guru Basveshwara. She was revolutionary in its true sense, overcoming caste and gender barriers of her times and her compositions. Her compositions not only dwelt on the divine and nature, but also on the need for oneself to have an inquiring mind, not subject to the biases and superstitions of the time, to truly realize the beauty and grandeur of the Lord's creations. Even though written in the 12th century, her compositions are still very relevant, much like the timeless classics of the Upanishads. We are grateful to our performer Harish Krishnan for selecting this composition of a lesser-known Ratnastri, Saint Akka Mahadevi.
Namaskaram, my name is Harish Krishnan and I'm a student of Dr. T.S. Satyavati, and I would like to thank Sur Darbar for giving me an opportunity to present a composition of Akka Mahadevi in the Raga Dhanyasi. Tanu karagadavaralli pushpavanulle ನೀನು ಮನ ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಧಾಕ್ಷತೆಯ ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ತನು ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಷ್ಪವನುಲ್ಲೆಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಮನ ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಧಾಕ್ಷತೆಯ ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ತನು ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಷ್ಪವನುಲ್ಲೆಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಮನ ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಧಾಕ್ಷತೆಯ ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ತನು ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಷ್ಪವನುಲ್ಲೆಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಮನ ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಧಾಕ್ಷತೆಯ ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ತನು ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿವು ಕಣ್ತೆರೆಯದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರತಿಯ ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಅರಿವು ಕಣ್ತೆರೆಯದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರತಿಯ ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಭಾವ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಿಲ್ಲದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಧೂಪವನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ತನು ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿವು ಕಣ್ತೆರೆಯದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾರತಿಯ ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಭಾವ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಿಲ್ಲದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಧೂಪವನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ತನು ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಿಣಾಮಿಗಳಲ್ಲದವರಲ್ಲಿ ನೈವೇದ್ಯವನ್ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಪರಿಣಾಮಿಗಳಲ್ಲದವರಲ್ಲಿ ನೈವೇದ್ಯವನ್ನೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಹೃದಯ ಕಮಲವಿಲ್ಲದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಹೃದಯ ಕಮಲವಿಲ್ಲದವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲೊಲ್ಲಯ್ಯ ನೀನು ಎನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೇನುಂಟೆಂದು ಎನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೇನುಂಟೆಂದು ಕರಸ್ಥಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಬುಗೊಂಡೆ ಎನ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೇನುಂಟೆಂದು ಕರಸ್ಥಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಬುಗೊಂಡೆ ಹೇಳ ಚನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಹೇಳ ಚನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ಹೇಳ ಹೇಳ ಚನ್ನಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ ತನು ಕರಗದವರಲ್ಲಿ Thank you.
Another Ratnastri of this generation, Srimati Lalita Shivakumar, is the daughter of Palghat Mani Iyer and the mother of Dr. Nitishri Mahadevan. Srimati Lalita Shivakumar received training in Carnatic music from D.K. Pattammal. She was known for vocally accompanying her mother-in-law and leading Carnatic vocalist, the late D.K. Pattammal, in concerts. Her emphasis on strict adherence to the principles of Carnatic music and language developed over a period of time by eminent doyens. This makes her music school well known for its pronunciation and presentation skills of its performers. Lalita Shivakumar has composed and set music to a number of kritis, tilanas, and bhajans in a variety of Indian languages.
Namaskaram. My name is Mitra Arun. I'm a student of Sri Raghavan Manian. Thank you so much for this opportunity to participate in Ratnashri. Kapali Nidaya Nidhi Umapati Kapali Nidaya Nidhi Umapati Tunai Varuvai Kapali Nidaya Nidhi Umapati Tunai Varuvai Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati Tunai Varuvai Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati Tunai Varuvai Kapalini Dayanidhi Umapati सकललोकनायकने सर्वेश्वरने सामगानविनोदने शिवगामिनादने सकललोकनायकने सर्वेश्वरने रि सा रि ग रि सा रि ग सरि ग रि ग पनि रि ग पनि ग पनि पनि सा रे पनि सा रे नि सा रे ग रे ग रे सा नि पनि रे सा रे सा नि प ग प नि प ग रि सा ग प लि नि दयानिधि उमापति तुणै வருவாய் கபாலி நீ தயாநிதி உமாபதி பாமரஜன பாலினி உமையே தன்னை பாதியாய் கொண்டவனே பாமரஜன பாலினி உமையே தன்னை பாதியாய் கொண்டவனே பிறைமதி அணிந்தவனே புலிதோலை உடைத்தவனே பிறைமதி அணிந்தவனே புலிதோலை உடைத்தவனே ஆலஹாலமா உண்டா நீலகண்டனே ஆலஹாலமா உண்டா நீலகண்டனே காலனை உதைத்த கைலாசனே ஆலஹாலமா உண்டா நீலகண்டனே காலனை உதைத்த கைலாசனே சபேஷனே நட்டேஷனே மகேஷனே பிரகாஷனே ஜகதீஷனே சதாசிவனே சபேஷனே நட்டேஷனே மகேஷனே பிரகாஷனே ஜகதீஷனே சதாசிவனே ரி சா ரி க ரி ச ரி க சரி க ரி க பானி ரி க பானி க பனி பனி சாரி பனி சாரி ni sa re ga re ga re sa ni pa ni re sa ni pa ga pa ni pa ga re sa ga pa li ni दयानिधि उमापति துணை வருவாய் கபாலி நீ दयानिधि उमापति
Namaskaram. My name is Vibha Srinivasan and my guru is Srimati Hema Ravichandra. I'm honored to be taking part in the Ratnashri event today and I'll be presenting a composition in Ragam Surya. Composer is Srimati Lalita Shivakumar. Namo Ugraya Veeraya Sarangaya Namo Namaha Namo Ugraya Veeraya Sarangaya Namo Namah Padma Prabodaya Namaha Padma Prabodaya Martandaya Namo Namaha Martandaya नमो नमः ब्रह्मेशाणाच्युते शाय ब्रह्मेशाणाच्युते शाय सूर्यादित्य वर्चसे भास्वते सर्वभक्षाय रौद्राय वपुषे नमः। कार्यकारण स्वरूपने कार्यकारण स्वरूपने सूर्यदेवने शरणौ शरणौ 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 कार्यकारण स्वरूपने பாரினில் உன்னை துதிக்காதிருந்தாலும் பாரினில் உன்னை துதிக்காதிருந்தாலும் பாரினில் உன்னை துதிக்காதிருந்தாலும் பாரினில் உன்னை துதிக்காதிருந்தாலும் ஒரு நாளேனும் உதிக்க நீ மறந்தனையோ ஒரு நாளேனும் உதிக்க நீ மறந்தனையோ ஒரு நாளேனும் உதிக்க நீ மறந்தனையோ கமத மதனி சக மக சனித மக சனி சக கமத நீத தனி சக மக சனி சனித மனித மதனி கம கமத கமதனி மக சனித க சனித மனித மகச कार्यकारण स्वरूपने सूर्यदेवने शरणौ शरणौ कार्यकारण स्वरूपने ஆயிரம் கதிரோனே அண்டமெல்லாம் காப்பவனே ஆயிரம் கதிரோனே அண்டமெல்லாம் காப்பவனே ஆகாய அதிபதியே ஆதவனே ஆகாய அதிபதியே ஆதவனே நின்னொளியின்றி மலருமோ கமலம் நின்னொளியின்றி மலருமோ கமலம் நின்னருளின்றி இயங்குமோ அகிலம் நின்னருளின்றி இயங்குமோ அகிலம் छाया देवी समेतने श्रीराम सहायने छाया देवी समेतने श्रीराम सहायने छाया देवी समेतने श्रीराम सहायने माया प्रपंच विनोदने नेयने आदित्यने माया प्रपंच विनोदने नेयने आदित्यने नारायणन मनवळिवोने प्रकाशने भास्करने नागाभरणने नित्य प्रकाशने भास्करने ग ग मद मदनि स ग मग सनि द मग सनि स ग ग मदनि द దని स ग मग सनि सनि द मनि द मदनि ग म ग मद ग मदनि मग सनि द ग सनि द मनि द मग स कार्य कारण स्वरूपने सूर्य देवने शरणो शरणो कार्य कारण स्वरूपने सूर्या
Kalaimamani and Sangeet Natak Academy Award winner Srimati Suguna Purushottaman trained under Sri Musri Subramanya Iyer. She received special training under the illustrious Sri Semangudi Srinivas Iyer and also learned Layam from the Mridangist Thinniyam Venkatrama Iyer. Under the guidance of Sri Thinniyam Venkatrama Iyer, Suguna was inspired to compose and perform difficult pallavis, taking precocious interest in pallavis in rare talams. Her Layam training also enthused her to master the Dvitala Avadana, maintaining 2 talams of different gatis simultaneously in 2 hands while singing pallavis that matched both these talams. For her mastery in this format, she was popularly known as Pallavi Suguna. Her contribution in reviving the practice of singing pallavis in talams like Sharabanandanam, Simhanandanam, and Dvitala pallavis brought her wide acclaim. Sur Darbar is delighted to present multiple talented artists who will share the compositions of the Ratnastri Srimati Suguna Purushottaman.
Namaskaram. I am Dikshinath Thiruvarangam. I am named after a divine town called Srirangam. Today, I will be most delighted to present a mesmerizing Chauka Kalakriti by my most beloved Guru, Srimati Suguna Purushottaman. I am currently taught by Srimati K. Gayatri and Sri Raghavan Manyan. I thank Sur Darbar for this wonderful opportunity. Ratnastri is a timely and much needed event for our wonderful women composers. Thank you. Shri Ranganathan Jagannathan 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 Shri Ranganathan Kshiradhiyai நீங்கி பாருயிர்க்கு இறங்கி க்ஷிராதியை நீங்கி பாருயிர்க்கு இறங்கி க்ஷிராதியை நீங்கி பாருயிர்க்கு இறங்கி காவேரி கரையிலே கொண்ட காவேரி கரை விரும்பி அரங்கரவணை கொண்ட ஸ்ரீரங்க நாதன் பிரணவகார விமானம் பரவாசுதேவ ஸ்தானம் பிரணவகார விமானம் பரவாசுதேவ ஸ்தானம் பிரணவகார விமானம் பரவாசுதேவ ஸ்தானம் பாடும் கமலநயனன் அணிமார்பன் பணி சயனன் பாடும் கமலநயனன் அணிமார்பன் பணி சயனன் மணமாலை கொள்கோதை மணவாளன் தயாளன் மணமாலை கொள்கோதை மணவாளன் தயாளன் மணமாலை கொள்கோதை மணவாளன் தயாளன் மாலோலன் பிரத்யக்ஷ பூலோக வைகுண்டன் மாலோலன் பிரத்யக்ஷ பூலோக வைகுண்டன் மணமகிழ் ஊர்வல கோலாகலமும் மக்கள் கூடும் வாகன ஊர்வலமும் மணமகிழ் ஊர்வல கோலாகலமும் மக்கள் கூடும் வாகன ஊர்வலமும் கனவான் பெரும் கருடனும் விபீஷணனும் அனுமனும் அனுதினமடியினை பணிந்திடும் ஸ்ரீரங்கநாதன் ஜகந்நாதன் ஸ்ரீரங்கநாதன்.
Namaskaram. I am Paritran Tirurangam. My guru is Srimati Kumunda Gomatam. I was very excited when I heard about Ratnasri, and because thanks to Ratnasri, I learned the song, the Mani Pravaram song made by Srimati Sugna Purushothaman. Thank you. परमेश्वरी पाहि मां दुर्गा परमेश्वरी पाहि मां दुर्गा परमेश्वरी पाहि मां दुर्गा परमेश्वरी पाहि मां दुर्गा बप्पराडु स्थल जल दुर्गा बप्पनाडु स्थल जल दुर्गा मां परमेश्वरी पाहि मां दुर्गा बप्पनाडु स्थल जल दुर्गा मां परमेश्वरी
సంగే వరదాయకి వరములో సంగే వరదాయకి వరములో సంగే వరదాయకి వరదుర్గా వనదుర్గా పావన దుర్గా వనదుర్గా పావన దుర్గా మాం పరమేశ్వరి పాహి మా దుర్గా బప్పనాడు స్థల జల దుర్గా మాం పరమేశ్వరి పాహి మాం మూలికాపుర మూలవాసిని మూలికాపుర మూలవాసిని మూలికాపుర మూలవాసిని మగనల్లక యో మాతా లలితా మగనల్లకాయో మాతా లలితా మగనల్లకాయో மாதா லலிதா பல்கலையும் உந்தன் பார்வையிலாம் அன்றோ வாழிதருள் செய்வாய் பக்தரஞ்சனி பரமேஸ்வரி பாஹி மாம் துர்கா பப்பனாடு ஸ்தல ஜல துர்கா மா பரமேஸ்வரி பாஹி மாம்.
Since March is Women's History Month, Sur Darbar specifically conceived the idea of celebrating women composers in Indian classical music. As we began working on this project, we were very fortunate to learn about many Ratnastris, women composers we had never even heard about. Alamelu Ammal is one such hidden gem. In the words of our presenter Samvardhini Sridharan, Alamelu Ammal is known to many in our family as Kunjupati. She was our family matriarch who composed close to 140 songs. While most other women composers of era prior had a male set the tune to their compositions, the composer of this piece chose her own raga inspirations, faithfully translated her own pieces from a variety of languages, composed her own lyrics, all while staying true to the form and meter. The song Samvardhani will be presenting today is a staple in their home's religious ceremonies and family functions. This is also set to the tune of Bhagyada Lakshmi Baramma in Ragam Shri.
Hi, my name is Samvardhini Sridharan. I'm a disciple of Sri Raghavan Manian.
లక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా లక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా వరలక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా వరలక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా సౌభాగ్యములివ్వమ లక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా సౌభాగ్యములివ్వమ లక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా మన ఇంటికి పొడు వరలక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా మన ఇంటికి పొడు వరలక్ష్మీ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మా కాళలు గజలు గల్లుగలనగ కాంతలు మేము నిన్ను కొలువగా కాళలు గజలు గల్లుగలనగ కాంతలు మేము కనకవర్షములు వర్షించవమ్మ దినకర కోటి తేజోమయ రూపిణి కనకవర్షములు వర్షించవమ్మ దినకర కోటి తేజోమయ రూపిణి సనకాది మునులు చూసి సంతోషింప జనక రాజుని చలియరు రావమ్మ లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ సనకాది మునులు చూసి సంతోషింప జనక రాజుని చలియరు రావమ్మ లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ మన ఇంటికి పుడువర లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ పంకజాక్షిని పాదములగునే పచ్చని నలుగులు పెట్టదనమ్మ పంకజాక్షిని పాదములగునే పచ్చని నలుగులు పెట్టదనమ్మ కుంకుమాకిదే ఇంకితముకనే పసుపు కుంకుమలు ఇచ్చి రక్షింపమ లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ కుంకుమాకిదే ఇంకితముకనే పసుపు కుంకుమలు ఇచ్చి రక్షింపమ లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ మన ఇంటికి పుడువర లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ శుక్రవారమున పూజలు చేకొని చక్కగా మంగళ హారతులు వెలుగ శుక్రవారమున పూజలు చేకొని చక్కగా మంగళ హారతులు వెలుగ తక్కువలే కొని నిన్ను కొలిచేటి భాగ్యమునివ్వమ పరమదయా పరిలక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ తక్కువలే కొని నిన్ను కొలిచేటి భాగ్యములివ్వమ పరమదయా పరిలక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ మన ఇంటికి పుడువర లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ సౌభాగ్యములివ్వమ లక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ వరలక్ష్మి నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ నీవు వేగమే రావమ్మ
We will now be presenting one of my favorite composers, whose compositions is known throughout India. Mirabai, or Meera, as the lovers of her music refer to her as, was a devotional poet born during the Bhakti movement of northern and central India. An ardent devotee of Krishna, Mirabai was a part of the Rajput royal family and wrote hundreds of poems and songs honoring Lord Krishna and Radha through vivid imagery and philosophical connections. Her compositions have been performed in the Hindustani and Carnatic style of music, mostly sung in a bhajan format, and several of them have been choreographed in various dance forms of India. Sit back and enjoy this composition, Julat Radha, in Rag Soni, set to Adi Talam, an example of one of her works where she blends descriptive devotional language and harmonious melodies to create a picturesque portrayal of Lord Krishna and Radha.
Namaskaram. My name is Rakshmi Srikanth, student of Dr. C.M. Venkatachalam. It is my privilege to be a part of Ratnastri, celebrating women composers organized by Sur Darbar. Thank you. Julat Radha Sang Giridhar Julat Radha Sang Giridhar Julat Radha Sang Giridhar Julat Radha Sang Giridhar Julat Radha Sang गिरधर झूलत राधा संग लाल बाई वृंदावन जमुना लाल बाई वृंदावन जमुना केसर चूवत रंग गिरिधर केसर चूवत रंग गिरधर झूलत राधा संग गिरधर झूलत राधा संग नाचत ताल आधार सुरवर नाचत ताल आधार सुरवर धीमी धीमी बाजे मृदंग गिरिधर धीमी धीमी बाजे मृदंग गिरिधर धीमी तक बाजे धीमी धीमी बाजे मृदंग गिरिधर धीमी तक बाजे धीमी धीमी बाजे मृदंग गिरिधर झूलत राधा संग गिरिधर झूलत राधा संग मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर नागर 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 मोगन मुरली भुजंग गिरिधर मोगन मुरली भुजंग गिरिधर झूलत राधा संग गिरिधर झूलत राधा संग गिरिधर झूलत राधा झूलत राधा झूलत राधा संग
This Ratnastri hailed from the Guru Parampara of Sripada Pinakapani and mastered the style of the Pani Bani. Ratnastri Srirangam Gopalaratnam, a multifaceted vocalist, had a melodious voice and has set to tune the lyrics of Annamacharya. Gopalaratnam distinguished herself in the exposition of Kuchipudi, Yakshagana, Javli, and Yenki Patalu, a rare variety of Andhra. This presentation by Aditya Kure was written by the poet Annamacharya and has set to tune by Srimati Srirangam Gopalaratnam.
Namaskaram, my name is Aditya Kure. My guru is Sri Sangeeta Ratna T.P. Chakrapani sir. ఇద్దరితమకము ఇటువలనే ఇద్దరితమకము ఇటువలనే ఇద్దరితమకము ఇటువలనే పొద్దున ఏమని బొంకుదమయ్యా ఇద్దరితమకము ఇటువలనే పొద్దున ఏమని బొంకుదమయ్య ఇద్దరి తమకము ఇటువలనే పొద్దున ఏమని బోకుదమయ్య ఇద్దరి తమకము ఇటువలనే పొద్దున ఏమని బోకుదమయ్య ఇద్దరి తమకము ఎటువలనే లలినాకధరము లంచమీయగ లలినాకధరము లంచమీయగ పరుసోకులై పరగెనవే లలినాకధరము లంచమీయగ పరుసోకులై పరగెనవే పిలువగరాగ పిలువగరాగ బెరసినుదవడే పిలువగరాగ బెరసినుదవడే పిలువగరాగ బెరసినుదవడే పొలటికి ఏమని బొంకుదమయ్య పిలువగరాగ బెరసినుదవడే పొలతికి నేమని బొంకుదమయ్య ఇద్దరి తమకము ఇటువలనే పొద్దున ఏమని బోకుదమయ్య ఇద్దరి తమకము ఇటువలనే పెక్కులు చెవిలో ప్రియములు చెప్పగ పెక్కులు చెవిలో ప్రియములు చెప్పగ ముక్కున జౌవాది మోచనిదే పెక్కులు చెవిలో ప్రియములు చెప్పగ ముక్కున జౌవాది మోచనిదే ఇక్కడ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ ఇక్కడ శ్రీ వెంకటేశుడ సడివడే ఇక్కడ శ్రీ వెంకటేశుడ సడివడే పుక్కటినేమని బొంకుదమయ్య ఇక్కడ శ్రీ వెంకటేశుడ సడివడే పుక్కటినేమని బొంకుదమయ్య ఇద్దరి తమకము ఇటువలనే పొద్దున ఏమని బోకుదమయ్య ఇద్దరి తమకము